Here's a story of a couple losers. Okay, these people had a bunch of dogs. One of the females had a litter. They needed help with the puppies. They got help with the litter. And actually, there was an offer to get the mom spayed for free. And the people were like, no, we don't want to do that. Why? I don't know. But we're not doing it. Can't make someone do it. So, in a shocking turn of events, the same dog got pregnant again. And we just got those puppies today. Now, here is where the story turns even sadder. The mom ended up dying because, sorry to be a little graphic, but if the dad is way bigger, that's very hard on the female dog. And every single mating of the male and female is forcible for the female. So she died of internal injuries, and these idiots could have prevented all of that, including bringing more puppies into the world, had they just accepted the offer for a free fucking spay.